If you could make any change to really drive the circular economy, if you had a magic wand to make a change, what would it be? That's to anybody in the panel that wants to answer.
Magic wand.
Well, this is it's a funny one, really. When I was at Penderyn Whisky, looking at the, being invited around to look at their change management approaches, but they took me around the whole creation of the booze. It's this story that links to the Bangor, the sort of the waste to feedstock. I would love to get on the end of wherever those pigs are, because the gentleman asked the question, well, where does your waste go to? And he said, well, it goes to a local pig farm. And he said, well, tell me that they must be the greatest pigs in the world. And he seriously wanted to go and source which particular pigs that he could purchase from, and I'd like to get on the end of that. That sounds like a really good idea as a sort of income generator for a shareholder or whatever. Sort of follow that whole thing through. Sorry, probably not very well explained.
I think there's many things we could do with a magic wand, but actually one that might be a bit more feasible to actually make it happen is adjust our procurement policy. Both from a corporate procurement policy point of view, but also a public sector procurement policy. If we're more attuned to how we spend our money, how public money is being spent, we can get a lot of traction on moving things forward. Rather than we're still stuck in the dark ages where we have 3 quotations from 3 suppliers, no matter where they're from. It could be from anywhere in the world, and we go to the cheapest. As opposed to understanding how can our decisions at the procurement stage impact the wider local economy. So let's work with local supply chains. Let's work with organisations that can actually deliver circular solutions, and pay a little bit extra for that. But actually, the value you get back is multiplied tenfold. And I think that's something tangible we can look at and should look at, and particularly in Wales when we have the Wellbeing for Future Generations Act. We need to align the Act not only to the policy but to the supply chain that delivers solutions for that procurement policy.